Welcome. Thanks for downloading VideoSummy, an exciting new app by Ito that uses patent pending technology to intelligently summarize longer videos into a small clip, which could be even 1 or 2 minutes, but retains the key events and vignettes of the original video. You can check out the various use cases on our website, VideoSummy.com, and we have promotional videos that describe some of the different use cases. Without further delay, let's check out how VideoSummy is used. Launch it from your desktop icon. Once it comes up, the first thing you need to do is point it at which video you want to be summarized. In our case, let's pick this one, which seems like a 20-minute video, and we click on open. What it does, it loads the video into VideoSummy, and you can play it, and within the first few seconds you're validated that that's the video that you want. I'm satisfied, so I pause it. Next thing I do is on the right panel I click on summarize. It gives me the initial option of what's the size of the summary video that I want in seconds. So 60 seconds is default. You can go up to 120, 180, 240, so forth. And you can also put in let's do that, a custom length. I pick let's say 90 seconds, which is 1.5 minutes. I say okay, let me go to work. Now this takes a little time, so I'm not going to hold up the tutorial at this point. We're going to take a pause and we come back right when it's almost done. Okay, so the summarization just got done. What we can do is check out how the summary looks like. So you go to the right panel, play summary, and let's see what happened. And you can see up here that it's a 90-second summary as we had asked for. Now if you notice as you go along that this video captures all the key events and transitions and vignettes of the original video, which is really nice. Now you will ask, is there any way that I can take out something from the summary? Yes, you can. So you have to first pause it. Let's say I didn't like this person just moving and blocking the camera. I want to take out that frame from the video. You go up to the menu bar and you hit that red cross circle, and that frame is gone. So now we have a summary without that little glitch there. We were able to remove it, and so our summary looks a lot more clean. So you can do things like that. Let's find out then what else we can do. The next thing I would like to show you is you can do music. So I go up here. Actually, you don't even need to go to the menu. You can locate the blue icon with the music note symbol on it. Pick a piece of music. There's an MP3 file. Open it. Now you won't get any instant feedback, but VideoSummy has combined the music and the summary video. So let's save it. Save the video summary somewhere. I can save it here. Let's call it SVid10. Save it, and let's see where. There you go. SVid10 is right here. Now we can see the progress bar is still going on here, so we will have to wait for the progress bar to be completed. The last bit is the audio bit, which takes a little time. So it's at 99%, but it's saving off the audio. And we should see that wrap up momentarily. There you go, it's done. So we saw our video being saved here, SVID10. Let's see how it panned out for us. Here I want to note that this type of AVI file is not natively played by Windows. I have a latest Windows 10 laptop and it doesn't play natively by double clicking on this file. What you need is a VLC player, which you can download from the internet. It's a free, safe download from a reputable organization. You just need to go to your favorite search engine and type in VLC space player, and within a minute or two you should be able to download it and install it on your computer. It was real easy. I've already done that, so let's go ahead and see how it turned out. Now I want to do open with VLC media player. Now I'm going to take off my microphone. Please bear with me as the volume level of this tutorial might differ a little bit, as I want you to hear that summary video. You get the idea. So there we saw what happened here as we combined the music and the video, which is a very neat thing. You could have had a voiceover too. I think that's enough information for getting started with VideoSummy. There's one other thing that I wanted to show you before, or maybe two, that I want to quickly point out before we end this tutorial. While we were doing the summarization process, there was this more options button that I don't know if you noticed. I want you to play with it as you get more comfortable with VideoSummy. It has a neat feature of asking VideoSummy to do the summarization based on a different criteria than the length. What it does, you ask it with a slider control, as you move it more towards the right and increase it, to remove more and more redundant frames from the original video, resulting in a much smaller, in a relatively smaller video. I'm not going to go into details on that one, but I encourage you to play with it. The other thing I want to point out is, just as you were able to remove the picture of the lady blocking the camera by using the red X button on the top, there's also a plus button which allows you to add from the original video into the summary video. And in order to do that, you need to be playing the original video. So you want to be actually in a situation where you're playing the original video, and that's the real one before summarization. And during that time, you can maybe pause that video and you say, I want to add that frame to my summary. And what that does is make sure that whatever that frame was got added to your summary. Okay. I'm not going to go and play that entire summary video for you, but if you look closely, that particular frame would be in your summary video. Okay? Thank you for listening to this tutorial.